Hey guys, congratulations to Cunningham on their victory today in the athletics, and well done to everyone who turned up, had some fun, and competed. Well done, Gould, on winning the best breakfast. Definitely worth turning up for today. Now, much more exciting than the athletics today is the Education Perfect World Championships. Both maths and English start in 43 minutes. So, where do you want to go in maths to try and get easy points, particularly for those of you in grade 8, 9 and 10 looking to get your assignments and get a good result in that? Where do you have to go to learn some maths? So what I wanted to show you is just a little bit about how to go about there. Now, we can't actually get in there. Usually you would just log in here once it starts. But for now, I will show you the other way you can get in there. You just browse subjects and go to maths. When you get there, you'll see all these maths modules. Now, whilst it's great to go straight to your year level, and that's a very good place to start, also this NZ Education Perfect, that's another good place to go. Where I recommend each of you start is right back here at the Maths World Championship starting point. So what I've done is I've found a lot of the basic math skills that, to be honest, I think almost everyone needs to practice. And let's go in and have a look and see what we've got in there. So you log in and you can see something nice and easy like beginner times tables to start yourself off. Now, when you choose them, you can either choose to do all of them, 1 to 12 all at once, or just go through 1 times table, 2 times table, 3 times table. Some of you will find that faster. I'm just going to do the whole lot. You can adjust the number of questions here. Slide it back all the way to 20, 15. If you set it up to 50, you have to spend less time swapping between screens, more time getting points. It's much more efficient. So let's see how quickly we could get 50 points. And can I get there? Oh, I can't see because of my screen. There we go. Let's just start and we'll see how we go. So 10, 12s, I recommend using your desktop if you can. So you've got a number pad. It makes it a lot faster to type in the numbers, and you can see it doesn't take you very long. See, it doesn't help if you don't look at the buttons that you're hitting. See, I try to be fancy and do it without looking, and that's what happens. But once you get in the swing of things, you'll find that it's pretty easy, and you can get your points very quickly. So you can see here, knowing your simple times table skills is going to go a long way to getting you some points very quickly. So it keeps track of what question you're up to here, so you can see we're going a fair way. If you find you're running out of time, up the top you see the timer. There'll be a little button that appears that'll say you can click on more time if you feel like you need more time. So that's another option. If you feel some of the questions, obviously these times tables you're going to be killing, but some of the other ones you might find you need a bit more of a hand. So 50 questions is taking me a while here, but you can see very quickly you're going to get some points tonight if you get started. Now, why would you want to get started tonight? Well, the advantage of doing some questions tonight is once you've done a question once, the next calendar day, so after midnight tonight, tomorrow, anytime tomorrow, you can go back and do those same questions and get another point, which is terrific. After you've got your second point, you then have to wait another 6 nights, so it's 7 days before you can get your next point. Look at that, I got that one wrong, what a goose. So there you go. That was pretty easy to get 49 points. It took maybe 2 minutes, you know. What's my recorder up to? 3:30, and we haven't been going that long. So not very long. Get your points up tonight. Go again tomorrow night. Then you'll have a few days where you can do some other stuff, not these easy points, and then you can move on to at the end of near the end of the championships, doing those questions again. And so, you know, even just with the times tables, you'll see beginner times tables, earning money, mathematical words. So what we've got there, some of the definitions, you know, angles that obey the Z rule are more appropriately called alternate angles. So you just have to fill in the blanks. So it's one of those closed tasks they're sometimes called. So there's lots of options here for you if you want to go back to a different activity. Some multi-choice questions. So logarithmic equations, probably only my grade 10s and above will be looking at that, but if you're grade 9s and you want to have a look, there's nothing wrong with that. Integrals, yeah, we're getting into 11 and 12 Maths B there, that's okay. Trigonometry, not too bad for my year 9s even, and 10s. Highest common factor, everyone should be able to have a crack at that. Powers, times tables 13 to 20. Multi-choice questions, oh, that's one we looked at. I haven't looked at miscellaneous, that's what I wanted to see. Degrees to radians for some of you. Factors. Factors is going to be pretty straightforward for everyone. Is it a prime or not? Just testing whether a number's prime or not from 1 to 100. A bit of problem solving. A few other questions there. Understanding and fluency on this algebra. pretty straightforward sort of stuff. You can have a look at the answers before you get started. So, see how you go. Get started early. Have some fun. Good luck. And I want to see St. Peter's up the top of that leaderboard the whole way this time. All right. Have fun. Well done, guys. Cheers.